Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing the flavor with a delicious and vibrant dish, sauteed shrimp with crispy purple kale chips and creamy coconut rice. Let's jump right in. I've already cut up the kale, so that's what we're looking at now. So I've already cleaned the shrimp. I've already cleaned the shrimp and the kale is done. Guys, look at it. So good. Let's see. You hear that crunch already. Ah! Let's see. Perfect. It's got like with kale, I don't like using a lot of salt on much of anything, but I put a little bit of salt and pepper and a barbecue rub on it, so it's really good. And I'm going to pair it with the shrimp and risotto rice. Hey guys, so I actually used a seasoning packet for this, and add a little bit of honey, manuka honey, and that's pretty much it. Seasoning and manuka honey. It's going to go on top of the kale, or actually it's going to go on top of the rice, and the kale is going to be on the side. So it's going to be shrimp with risotto rice and kale chips.